Good morning, beautiful people. How are you doing today? I hope you are doing amazing. So today is Saturday. Happy Saturday to each and every one of you. I just want to share that I was actually sick for the last 6 days. Today is the 6th day of me being sick. So I was just bedridden. I was staying in bed all day, and yeah, I was really sick. I was very weak. I have body pain, and also I got fever as well. So right now it's my 6th day. I am feeling a little bit better. Ruby has been sitting here for the last 6 days, and I don't know, I think it's not really good for my mental health to just like stay inside my house and not go out. So today we are gonna be heading to the city. Actually, I am quite terrified because this is going to be my first time to drive to the city alone. I have no one beside me, no passengers at all, and yeah, I think I needed to conquer that. I need to overcome my fear of driving alone. So today is gonna be the day. Also, we are gonna be picking up Bingle. She is gonna be here in the house because it's her day off, and we're gonna get a few stuff as well. Hopefully it's not gonna rain, but looks like it is going to rain. It is very cloudy. Anyway, I hope you guys are all doing safe. If you guys are interested to watch how my day go today, then keep on watching. Hello everyone, update. I made it here in IT Park. This is where Bingle is working. I'm just waiting for her. She's not replying to me. I'm just on hazard. I don't even know if we are able to stop for a few minutes, but I don't know where is she. Yeah, okay, so a lot of you guys were asking why do I wear a mask when I'm driving inside the car. The reason for that is because I don't know, I think it was mandatory during quarantine. I'm just really trying to follow protocol. I don't want to get a fine or anything. So, but I don't think like right now it is necessary, but we just really got used to it, and it's better to be safe than sorry. Bingo, where are you, honey? She's not replying to me, this girl. But Madam Bingle is finally here. Okay. Oh my god! I waited for an hour. Is it even allowed to hazard here?
I don't think. Hi, vlog.
Okay, are we gonna eat? Where do we go first?
Ikaw, where?
Let's eat first or what?
Are we gonna eat? Or dito na ta? Asa ba dito pa dong?
Ambot lang. I wanna go to SM because I need to buy Scarlett the car seat.
Tara.
But we eat in SM.
We need. Ay, pinasan.
Okay.
Oh my god. Hi guys, Charing. This is Bingo. So I'm taking over Meljean's vlog today because obviously she's driving. There she is.
She's my passenger today.
So this is my first time actually. It's been a while.
Oh yeah, it's been a week I think.
So let's see. But so far so good. Can you imagine how well she can drive this? So we have our seatbelts on because she said that if we're not gonna put our seatbelts on,
I'm not gonna drive.
She's gonna cry. Charing! Charot! Bye! Charot!
Bye.
We're going to SM because I don't know, we're just gonna park the car there.
We're gonna practice how to park because I don't know how to park.
Yes. So I need to step out of the car according to her. So I can look the, you know, distance and all of that distance.
Yeah, so we don't hit another car.
Yeah. Because it's Saturday, I'm not sure if there's a lot of people there.
Maybe, yeah.
I guess.
I hope not.
Look at my, do you have any extra, ano?
Yes, I have a lot in there in the side.
So.
We're also gonna have lunch there.
Oh my god, it's so good to like I can't imagine this driving me. Driving
crazy.
me. Driving
you crazy.
What in English?
We just go straight, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't know where SM anymore.
Yeah. So she's really practicing a lot more right now because she's gonna be going to grab office in the next week because she will enroll herself for Grab. car. So, yeah. So, yeah. There it is. Here. Getting there. Going to SM. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Hi, we are in SM now. There he is. So we're gonna go there. And good luck to my parking. Good luck to Bingol for instructing me how to park. It's not so busy today. Hopefully the parking is not gonna be full. Or else we will be fudged. We are trying to park now. Okay,
right turn to open. Right. You go right. Yeah.
This?
Yeah.
It says full.
Full pocket. You can still go turn right. We're just gonna ask if the guard will see. If the guard will see taas. Pwede yung siguro.
Yeah, I think.
You pay
Bayadaan? Do you have 30? Yes. We pay first, 30 peso.
Yes, you should pay. 30 pesos for parking lot.
It's a fixed rate.
Yeah, so you go. Ay, okay.
Ticket, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay, good luck.
It's almost low, but
Okay, someone's going out.
no, we're not gonna. Are we gonna fill that in?
No, we're gonna fill the other one.
I guess we still have one available there. You go. There, one on that one. You are. There's a water.
It's okay. Gonna go.
It's also available there. Oh. Oh yeah. Then you can go there. Set it there.
Okay. Oh my God, we made it. I love you, SM. This is gonna be our lunch. We have tortang talong and crab meat for me. I got shell soup and of course some rice. We are so like long distance. Starving. Let's eat. In Blade, I think they're selling all car accessories, car cares, and of course emergency kits. I found here this jumper cables. I think a lot of you guys have told me to get something like this, so we are gonna get this one. This is 1,000 peso just for emergency. We need to get this. They have a heavy duty one, a really big one, but I think this is for like SUV and you know, like bigger cars. For me, I think this one is good. This is for, you know, if you wanna do car wash. What else do you need? By the way, we're also gonna get Scarlett's car seat today. Hopefully they have one available. We are in baby company right now here in SM. So we are looking for a child car seat. So we have found this one over here. This is from 1 to 11 years old. Scarlett is 3. We are trying to get this. Or maybe I'm the one that needs a car seat. Let's try.
I guess so. And it fits you.
See? It fits my bum. Alright guys, we have arrived home. So we got all of the stuff here. Groceries and everything. And we got some bad news. Look what Meljean did. Oh my god. I just had my first ever crash. Look at this. Where's the thing? Tong black. Abi daw? So, look, wait. I'm gonna explain what happened. So this thing came off. Anak? Okay. We'll just have to Oh, look, this one too. So what happened was I stole a lane. So I wasn't in my right lane. I was, but I don't even know how to explain it because it was still like so fresh. But pretty much I went to the second lane where the motorbike is. We stopped. It was actually blind curve, and then he is going down, I'm going up, and then the motorbike was actually driving super slow. I thought he would stop and try to like maneuver a bit, but he didn't. He continued, and then this is what happened. Look. Yeah, but I think it's pretty much okay. We just have a dent here. Look. Look at the dent. Oh my god. So, good thing I got insurance. We're gonna have this fixed, I think. But it's pretty minor, I would say, so it's fine. This is my first ever car crash accident. But that's fine, it's fine, it's good. It's nothing. So there's that. We just got our very first accident. I don't even know what to feel right now, to be honest. I am feeling... I'm not sad. I'm nervous. I'm feeling empty. Like, I don't know. But, you know, the damage is very minimal. So, it's fine. It's nothing major. I got my insurance already, by the way, if you guys are asking. Maybe we're gonna have that fixed. I don't know. It's not really like a big deal for me. So it's so funny because there was like a lot of people in there, even if it was just really minor, you know, it's like a scratch, you know, trying to settle if what to do or not. I mean, it's fine for me. It was the motorbike's fault that he scratched my car, and to be honest, it was also my fault because I went into his lane. I was in my lane, but I stole some of his lane. And at first, he was like driving really slow. I thought he will stop and try to maneuver, but he didn't. He proceeded. That's why he scratched my car. And that's what happened. Anyway, I have someone to introduce to you guys. Zia, come on. Zia. Here. Zia. Here. Zia. Look at me, Zia. I got a new baby. This is baby Zia. So Ziggy is all grown up now. So, we got a new Baba. Hello. She is looking like a teddy bear.
The gray color white, combination of gray and white.
So this is baby Zia. She is 1 month old, I think. She's been with me for 1 week now. She's the clingiest doggy ever. Like, wherever I sit down, she wants to sit beside me. So we got baby Ziggy and baby Zia. You wanna say hi to the camera, honey? Do you wanna say hi? Look, she doesn't look real. She looks like a teddy bear. I'm gonna show you guys the car seat that we have for Scarlett. It was a bit pricey, 7,000 peso. And I wanna give a shout out to Karine Boyle for actually covering that up. Thank you so much, Karine. Scarlett will really be happy. I'm not quite sure if Scarlett would sit on that, but we are going to force her. I'm so not in myself right now because of what happened, but that's fine. At least we're all safe, you know, the driver of the motorbike is safe. That's what's very important, you know. So alright guys, so by the way, this is the car seat that we were able to get today. So this is how it looks. This is for 1 to 11 years old. Again, this is for 7,000 peso. The brand is Even Flow. Scarlett is here! Hi! Alin, ako palit ni mo.
Oh, tanaw rito dito. Nailindi.
Hala! Hala! Wow! Unsan ni? Unsan ni? Unsan na? Welcome! We don't know how to operate it. Wow!
Salta, salta ha.
Okay.
Gerak.
Hindi na lang dito, te. Dito na bilahon unya.
Oh. Wow!
Oh.
Barok, barok.
Okay na siguro natin.
Stand up now! Stand up, guys. Stand up.
Ano na?
Barok.
Thank you, tita. Thank you, tita. Duyan di ay. Alright everybody, we just finished with dinner. We had chicken soup because I requested it from mom to have a native chicken soup because I really am craving for it since the other day. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Subscribe to my channel. And as always, I'll see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye!